For the last 28 years of my 44 years in business, I've been really experimenting with different insert ideas and different orthotic companies. And I've come across labs who generate subortholin and many other plastic types. I've come across labs that do three-dimensional foot scans while your foot may be laying on some sort of a platform and nubbies come up on you, or you get three-dimensionally scanned, weighted, non-weighted. I've played with heated, moldable type inserts. You stick in an oven and put them in your shoe and they mold to you. I've never come close to anybody who does it better than Northwest Podiatric Laboratory. Northwest Podiatric Laboratory continued to be the time-tested model against which all other orthotic systems measure themselves. The reason they work out so well is because of how we start the process. We cast you non-weighted with pressure. We put a bag over your foot, and with that pressure, we capture the perfect shape of the foot in that position. We call it subtalar ankle joint neutral. And then we generate a product from that copy of your foot. The lab receives the copy, they fill it up with plaster, put your copy on a glass plate, and they take this material, which is kept in a deep freeze of 200 below zero. It only has 24 hours to be used when coming out of the deep freeze. So it's laid on your foot shape with a bladder molder, pressing out to the shape of your foot, the most ideal, most perfect orthotic shape ever. The orthotic shape goes under your heel, under your midfoot, and ends behind the balls of the forefoot. When they made these for me 28 years ago, they also made a second set. Every 2 years, the top cover and the heel post get stripped off, and they put new stuff on top of it and new on the bottom. And they've been with me for 28 years. These have stopped my right hip from becoming arthritic because they align my body up so well. Nobody comes close to the outcomes we've been generated here. Our customers are really happy with the outcomes because we have nailed the art of making the perfect orthotic to help a good shoe fit better.